If you're experiencing login failure 2026 in Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot or resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Riot Games server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that cause login issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by checking other websites or applications. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router. Step 4. Update your game. Make sure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Open the Riot client and check for any available updates. Installing updates can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure 2026 issue in Valorant. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.